Guys, welcome back to the channel. As you probably watched the video on the review of the F900 and the F900 GSA, I've got both the bikes in my garage at the moment. So here we have the F900 GSA, and just there we've got the F900 GS in that striking green and red sort of color scheme, which I really love. So anyway, today I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on the Dynamoto stand. So thank you Dynamoto for sending out these stands for me. I'm a big supporter of Dynamoto. Their products are great. I have one for my 1250 GS Adventure, but today I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration on how we mount or put your bike onto the Dynamoto stand and store it away. So basically the package comes with the universal front stand, which is very similar to which is essentially the same thing as what I've got on my 1250, and then it comes with the bike specific rear stand, which is this one here. Now they have got really good instruction videos on how you install the wheels and so on, and basically when it comes in a package, all you need to do is undo the package, put on the wheels, follow the guidance, and then you're good to go. It also comes with this quick instruction guide which you can get, and it also comes with an extra, so the hooks that sort of mount onto your bobbin. So remembering with the F900 GS, it's a double-sided swing arm, so you need to have bobbins on it in order for the stand to work. So the bobbin should hook up on here. So this is a bobbin that was sent to me by Dynamoto, and they are actually made and developed by R&G. So essentially the idea is that the bobbin sort of sits here like this, and then the stand holds it up. So we just need to install the bobbin into the rear of the wheel, and that can sit there permanently. Now they come with this these hooks, right, that holds the bobbin, and they also come with these spring leaflets so that it's adjustable based on your bike type, the width and so on. So you could use these stands on any bikes that actually have double-sided swing arms. So to put these things in, it's quite easy. You just put the spring on this side, and then you just sort of push it in like that. The spring clips, it gives you a bit of resistance, and then you can adjust it based on how wide or how narrow you want it. They also come with this additional hook as well, but this one has got a bit of a guide in there, and this is optional if you want to use it, but for this purpose I'm not using it. But essentially it just makes sure that the bobbins actually don't go out in place. So you could potentially use one of these on one side and use the open ones on the other side, but for me I'm just going to use these ones. It also comes with this safety lever which we use to undo or release the stand once it's mounted, and also to lock it in place at the front, which I will demonstrate shortly as well, and also the safety hook. So now let's get on to mounting the bobbins. It's actually pretty simple. It's got these nuts that I've got a rubber gasket on it, so you really don't need any Loctite for those ones. You can if you like to, and then all you do is you remove the bobbins from one side, and then here if you look at you want to come around, Graham? So if you look at the swing arm, it's actually hollow. It's actually hollow in here. So all you do is you just put that in there like this. It sits there nice and flush, and then you go to the other side. Making sure that you've got the right side on, because this one has got a bit of a shoulder there, and this will go into this side here just to create like a washer, so it holds it in place. And then you put the bobbin on, you put the washer, you put the nut, sorry, and then you tighten it in place Really, it's all that simple. I'm not going to do it all the way tight because it's just for a demonstration, but essentially you get the gist of it. You tighten it all up so that it's nice and steady, and then that can stay there for the life of the bike. Now let's move on to demonstrating how we put the stand on. Right. Okay, bobbins have installed. I've just tightened it up. It's all good. Now this can also stay there permanently, and it also acts as an extra bit of protection as well for the bike, and actually looks pretty good. So remembering that you do not have to buy an R&G one. You can actually buy one that is specific from your bike from any bike shop. As long as it's a bobbin and it can hold the weight, it should be fine. So now I'll put in the rear piece, and then just put in the safety hook in there. So that's all good. So we put it this way. We used the lower setting earlier. Sorry, we put it this way. We used the lower setting earlier, and we found that it's not high enough. So we have to turn it now and use the higher setting. So then again, put this back in. You do the same on the other side. Just turn it around. Make sure you use the springs in there. And bang. Now it's in the higher setting position. So again, all you need to do is just make sure that it's all lines up. And you only have to do this only ever once. Once you know what the distance is. So this looks like the right distance for it. So that's all good. And then all you do is you lift your bike up, and then this just goes in to there like so. You can see it's sort of holding it in the bobbin. And once it's done, you can sort of hold your bike just like that, and then you just lift it up like so, and bang, your bike is on. You remove the safety clip like so, put it back in here this way. Now what this does, it prevents the Dynamoto stand to actually fold back up. This sort of adds a layer of protection to prevent it from folding up and ruining your bike or causing your bike to fall. So with this done, then what you do is you put the front wheel one on. So again, that's pretty simple. Straighten the wheel. This goes in here like so. It goes up and then it goes down. So now your bike is mobile, and now in a tight space like what we've got here with my Mini, I can just wheel the bike around pretty easily. You can see I can do a full 360 turn there. That's how easy it is. And then park it all the way next to the wall, and gives me the opportunity to actually bring in the other bike as well. So all right, so now we have put it on. So now assuming you want to go off, and how do we remove the stand? Again, very simple. You start from the front. All you do is you do that. This comes out. Put this aside. Make sure you put your stand down. This is a safety measure, right? Put that down. Undo this. Put this here. Clip it on. You can stand. One hand on this side of the bike, and all you do is you lift this up like so. It comes down, slant the bike, and off it goes. Really, that simple. So I hope you guys liked it. If you're considering to buy one of these stands, please use my affiliate link in the description section below. You'll get a 5% discount, and they do free delivery in Australia, Canada, and US. So that'll be a nice addition to your purchase. And with that, I'll leave you guys to it. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.